C is a powerful and versatile programming language, known for its efficiency and performance. Developed by Dennis Ritchie in the early 1970s at Bell Labs, C has since become a foundational language in computer science and software development. Its simplicity and close-to-hardware capabilities make it an ideal choice for system programming, embedded systems, and high-performance applications. C has influenced many modern programming languages and continues to be widely used in various domains, from operating systems like Unix to game development and beyond. Its syntax, featuring a structured approach with pointers and low-level memory manipulation, provides programmers with a high degree of control over hardware resources. C remains an essential language for those who seek a deeper understanding of computer architecture and a direct, efficient means of implementing algorithms.